I wanted to share this tip that might keep you from having to pull the heads on your motor if you're at your wit's end with a lifter tick and ready to swap them out. This trick has been used over the years for different things, and this guy had a student with a 300,000 plus mile LQ4 come through the shop. It intermittently would have no oil pressure at startup and knock really bad. The student said it would go away after 30 seconds to a minute. They added a quart of ATF automatic transmission fluid to the engine and he drove it for a few days. Then they did an oil change. It had no more low oil pressure and he was driving it at least a year later. And there was another guy that said he had done this many times on dirt bikes, cars, and boat motors. They also did it with a Silverado when they first got it, and it did help out. But ultimately, they ended up deleting the active fuel management. But he didn't say that it was that he deleted it because of noise. It's just a common thing to delete because it causes other problems. And the first guy also said it was a pretty common practice in a dealership when engines had lost head gaskets and stuff. The ATF has a much higher amount of surfactants than engine oil to help break down debris, sludge, and varnish. A quart of transmission fluid with 4 to 5 quarts of engine oil is enough to break down the sludge and varnish inside the engine and allow stuck lifters to free up. If you've got a highly neglected engine, or you use really cheap oil and there's a lot of buildup, like say if you pull your valve covers and there's a lot of sludge and gum on your rocker arms, be careful using this method because it could plug up your oil pump pickup or the filter, and then you'll have to drop the pan and manually clean those. Just a word of caution, because cheap, low-quality oil can definitely add to the lifter problem because of the added varnish, sludge, and deposits that it leaves behind. I will leave a link in the description for the highest quality oil you can get to help reduce the chance of lifter problems. It leaves the area under my valve covers looking like new. There's a big difference in the highest quality oil and the cheapest quality oil and how clean they leave your motor. Even if you ever did get one lifter noise with the highest quality oil, you would be safe adding the ATF to it because there would not be so much sludge and varnish in there that would gum up your pickup tube. All right, I'd love to hear your comments and what has worked for you. Hope this helps. Thanks.